Welcome to our exploration of the amazing human digestive system. Get ready to embark on a journey through the intricate process that transforms the food we eat into the energy and nutrients our bodies need to thrive. It all begins in the mouth, where the digestive journey kicks off. As you chew, your teeth break down food into smaller pieces, while saliva starts the chemical process, breaking down carbohydrates. Once swallowing commences, food travels down the esophagus, thanks to rhythmic muscle contractions known as peristalsis. The food lands in the stomach, a muscular, J-shaped organ. Here, it's mixed with gastric juices, which contain acid and enzymes, further breaking down proteins. This churning process lasts several hours, converting food into a semi-liquid called chyme. Pyloric sphincter then regulates chyme release into the small intestine, where most digestion and nutrient absorption occur. In the small intestine, enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver continue the breakdown of food. The intestine's walls absorb nutrients, which then enter the bloodstream, nourishing cells throughout the body. Further down, the remaining indigestible parts enter the large intestine. Here, water and salts are absorbed, and friendly bacteria play a crucial role in breaking down leftovers. This process forms solid waste or feces, which is eventually expelled from the body through the rectum and anus. Remember, the digestive system isn't just about breaking down food. It's a symphony of organs working harmoniously. The liver processes nutrients, detoxifies, and produces bile. The pancreas produces enzymes and hormones like insulin, vital for blood sugar regulation. Each part plays a unique role, contributing to our overall health. Understanding the digestive system empowers us to make healthier choices, optimizing our energy and well-being. Whether it's eating fiber-rich foods or staying hydrated, small changes can significantly impact digestion. With this newfound knowledge, take a moment to appreciate this complex system that silently works in harmony, keeping us fueled and active every single day. Thank you for joining us as we unveil the wonders within us. We hope this journey leaves you inspired and more connected to your body's inner workings. Stay curious and keep discovering. Thanks for watching.